The moment when they ask about AATP, most people freeze in the interview. They think this as one of the feature. Companies didn't implement AATP just because SAP introduced it as a new feature. Companies want more flexibility to it, right? Companies want more kind of a customized confirmations, right? That's where they introduced AATP. Not just a new feature, it is fixing the real business problems in this faster supply chain world. If you can't answer what is AATP, then you are not S4HANA interview ready. This is one of the common questions asked in many of the interviews today. What is AATP? The moment the interviewer asks this question, many candidates freeze because they know how to create orders, they know how to create billing, they know how to handle pricing, they know how to handle the supply chain. But the moment when they ask about AATP, most people freeze in the interview because they know standard ATP but not AATP. They think this as one of the feature, but this is not just a feature, it is a solution to the major business problem. Companies didn't implement AATP just because SAP introduced it as a new feature. They implemented this because they hate one problem, which is broken delivery promises. That's the reason why companies implementing AATP. Let's take an example of a laptop manufacturing company. Let's say they have 100 quantity of stock available in their inventory. Customer A places an order of 100 quantity and the stock got confirmed. Then immediately in next 1 hour, another customer places an order of another 100 quantity and now you are out of stock, right? This is how ATP works. It checks the stock in hand, the incoming movements and minus outward movements is called available to promise, right? Now, as the second customer didn't get the stock allocated, that customer get disappointed, right? And delay deliveries. So these are the things that we used to handle in ECC. And this was a solution that worked well for decades, right? It was absolutely good. Now, looking at the kind of huge supply chain happening in the recent trends, right? Uh, Companies want more flexibility to it, right? Companies want more kind of a customized and prioritized confirmations, right? That's where they introduced AATP, which is advance available to promise, which is AATP is smarter inventory allocation, right? Let me give you another example. Let me take the same example where let's take you are a laptop manufacturing company. Again, same example. This is where SAP introduced AATP, which is advanced available to promise. This is not just a new feature, it is fixing the real business problems in this faster supply chain world, prioritizing based on the business needs, right? Let's take simple same example again. Laptop manufacturing company having 100 quantity in stock, whereas customer A placed for 100 quantity and customer you confirmed the stock, and then customer B placed an order for 100 quantity. But here in AATP, what happens, the stock will be allocated based on the priorities that you have already set. For example, let's say if you have allocated some percentage of stock for customer A who is a VIP customer, then that customer will get more preference than the second customer. Right? That is how AATP works. Right now, the first key feature in AATP is product allocation. So, what is product allocation? Let's take another example. Your company has launched a new product, new laptop, and as a promotional event, right? They have promoted the product and they got huge number of orders, like 10,000 orders. They got, right now they have 2,000 quantity in stock. Let's assume, right? The demand is 10,000 and the stock available is only 2,000. So now what happens is product allocation, what it does, so you have to satisfy this product across all needs, right? Across all regions. So hence we would have allocated the stock in region A, let's say 500, region B 500, region C and region D, right? 500 each. So the stock will be allocated proportionately based on the set priorities across those regions. And you can also set the stock based on distributors, based on dealers, right? You can set the stock allocation based on the priorities what business would like to apply, right? That's how product allocation works. Now the second important feature is back order processing. Now how back order processing works, now let's assume that you take the same situation where the stock is already confirmed. Let's say you have 100 quantity, the stock is already confirmed for customer A. Now immediately you got an order for customer B who is an VIP customer, right? So now there is no stock available in your hand. Now this customer, who is a high priority customer, who has done this, who has been doing business for so long, and the business says this customer should get the stock first. So then this back order processing, what it does, it will again recalculates, again re-triggers the availability and reconfirms the stock to the high priority customers based on the set priority. So thumb rule is, either you take product allocation or back order processing, you will set the priority rules. So it can be for VIP customers, it can be for distributors, it can be let's say for contracts, or it can be emergency orders, international orders. See, what are the priorities based on which you want to get the stock? Based on those business rules, system will start taking those decisions. So this is the reason why AATP helps you to take smarter business decisions. So hence it is not just a new feature added, it is a functionality that takes smart business decisions. Now, if you bring in AI here, AI can predict forecasting, AI can predict demand, AI can allocate the stock, AI can perform the stock allocation, but the rules what you have to set based on business decisions that a consultant has to make, right? So that is where this world, it is all about business thinking, it's all about solving real business problems, right? If you really want to become a consultant who outstands in today's world, stop thinking from transactions, start thinking from business problems, right? So AATP is a functionality which was there in ECC. AATP is more kind of smarter business decisions that helps business to improvise their inventory allocation, generate more revenue, build more customer satisfaction. So if you would want me to create more detailed video on product allocation and backward processing, comment AATP below. I will create more videos on this niche topic that is asked in every interview. See you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.